Now that users are set up, the next step is structuring your clients. Clients represent the companies where your machines are installed. Setting them up correctly helps you organize locations, assign machines accurately, and keep a clear overview of your operations. Let's begin.
To access the Client section, click the blue Settings button and select Clients. Here you can store essential information about your client companies, such as legal name, registration details, address, and contact information. To create a new client, click the green New Client button in the top right corner. Start by entering the client name. For this example, we'll call it Sample Company. If you expand additional settings, you can enter more detailed company information, such as registration number, legal address, or contact details. This step is optional, but adding complete information helps maintain structured records, especially if you manage multiple clients. Once you've entered all necessary information, click Save. The client will now appear in your client list.